How to order on Target app. So the very first thing you need to make sure that the application Target is available in your device. If not, you can easily get it on App Store. Once your application is installed on a device, what you want to do is open it and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, move into the product that you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy these Apple AirPods. All you want to do is click on it. Now tap on Add to Cart. You will find two options. One is order pickup and the other is drive up. Select one of the options which is gonna be suitable for you. Once you have selected, tap on Add to Cart. Now head over to the category of cart. Select the quantity and then click on Checkout. Now you will need to enter your payment method. From here, select your specific payment method and then tap on Save at the bottom. Once the payment has also been done, all you want to do is once again tap on Place Order and then you'll be good to go. Your order will be placed successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can order on Target app. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching it till the end.